Hi Scorpions, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for May 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also using this oracle deck that I have here. Scorpions, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading, Scorpions. Towards the final days of April, stepping into May 2022, we have the Star card. This is certainly talking about destiny. You were dealing with a past life issue here. In these final days, I think you wanted to be very aggressive. You wanted to get ahead. Ideally, I think Scorpions, you had wanted to control the situation instead of allowing it to go out of hand. Maybe your expectations were not being met. Perhaps it would have been prudent to tone it down a bit. Other than that, I think Scorpions, you were also dealing with a person who was deliberately trying to hinder your plans in those final days. Obstacles to overcome are the challenges that May is going to present for Scorpions worldwide as a Justice card. This is a card which is talking about karmic reward and punishment. I think if you will do good deeds, then you will be suitably rewarded by the universe. Certainly, this is the month when you're going to gain clarity. Even while discussing issues or even while making your way for that job interview, I think you should be very prudent while answering those queries. I think excess work is also on the cards for Scorpions in case you're already employed. Maybe there's somebody who's arm twisting you or who expects you to carry on the task the way they desire. Influences for this month, we have the Wheel of Fortune. This reading seems to have a lot of major arcana. So this is going to be an important month in your life this year. We did clarify the Wheel of Fortune and we have the Seven of Pentacles here. So certainly you're going to get the opportunity to make gains. Perhaps many Scorpions, you will be dealing with a very dramatic period. It's going to be marked by sudden changes. It's going to be full of drama as well. Sometimes, you may feel as though everything is going antagonistic or it's going haywire. Nevertheless, we have the Seven of Pentacles, so gains can be expected. I think in case there's a appraisal lined up by the boss, then you should ask for a hike in your salary, that is. Many of you could also be investing in gadgets. Maybe you should also be very careful about investing more than you desire. Interestingly, Scorpions, this month I'm also picking up that you could be looking for missing objects. The first 10 days of May, we have the Seven of Wands here. I think you need to have a very flexible approach. Your plans could be delayed a bit. Perhaps, Scorpions, you have to get up early or you have to work late into the night because there are going to be heavy demands on your time. Like I said, there could be sudden developments. You could be a bit distracted as well. Maybe there are going to be visitors or guests at home. That is why you have to give your time to them. While dealing with clients also, I think you should take an advance rather than let them take you for a ride. Communication is definitely going to bring in gains for you this month, so you need to capitalize. Maybe money dealings which are owed to you could also be cleared up. Or perhaps Scorpions, you're also somebody who has taken a loan in the past and you're going to clear them. Again, while dealing with clients also, you should be quite firm. Like I said, they could take undue advantage of you. Maybe your junior could step in and be very firm while dealing with this patron. Those of you who are in the leadership position, I think you'll be singled out for bringing about a transformation in the workplace. You do have a vision and you're very disciplined as well. You're always ready to take responsibility, and this is not going to go unnoticed by the management. Perhaps Scorpions, you will also feel that the management or the administrator is very intrusive. The next 10 days, that is 11th to 20th May, we have the Eight of Pentacles here. You need to collaborate, you need to listen to the viewpoint of others here. Perhaps Scorpions, this is also the time when you should devote to learning. This lady, she is busy with creative work. So maybe many of you are also going to be quite creative. Incidentally, praise is also quite likely. I think you will be rewarded or be much admired for your abilities. But maybe Scorpions, you should also work on your interpersonal skills. There'll be work related activity which is going to keep you busy. I think many of you will also be focused on decluttering your living space. Technical issues here, or there's going to be repair work at home as well. Largely, I think Scorpions, this is a time when you need to work on your skills. You should polish your skills, as this is going to benefit you in the long run. The final days of May, we have the Seven of Swords here. I think you should be very careful about what you speak, because you need to be tactful in your relationships. It is very likely that you're going to lose your cool at this time. Sometimes, Scorpions, you may also feel that even after doing your utmost, or your good intentions are never acknowledged, rather you get the wrong end of the stick. Maybe for some of you, lack of work or lack of employment opportunities could also affect your relationship. Nevertheless, Scorpions, in case you're already working, I think you should use your intelligence to good effect. You should use it to tackle the problems that may arise. The energy flow is also such that you will be able to complete the tasks one after the other. I think your seniors could also saddle you with excess work. I think the key here is to adjust to what your superior wants rather than alienate yourself. Sometimes, Scorpions, you could also feel let down. Maybe there's also somebody who's very fishy, who's acting behind the scenes or is up to mischief, so that is why you should be careful. This month there could also be surprise visits by the management, surprise checks, so to speak. That is why you need to be on your toes. Ideally, Scorpions, you should nip issues in the bud rather than allow them to snowball. Other than that, in case you're expecting a promotion, I think you could be a bit disappointed, so maybe you should not have too high hopes. With respect to your love life, I have this card, past life relationship. You have known each other before. Clearly, this card is outlining that the person you have in mind could be somebody who has been a part of a past lifetime. This person and you share a deep soul connection here. Maybe that is why we also have this card, promise a permanent connection. Definitely, you believe that this person and you have shared a bond which is deep, and this has been something which is quite permanent at the soul level. I think, Scorpions, in case you're single, you'll definitely expect marriage proposals this month. But then there could also be the limitations. Maybe that's an age difference, or maybe the distance could also mean that you will say no to this suitor. Nevertheless, I think your admirers are going to try very hard to get acquainted with you. I think you are somebody who doesn't want to give them any ideas. Even work colleagues could make a pass at you. There's no point stringing anyone along in case you're disinterested. On the other hand, those of you who are crushing on someone, I think, like I said, you could be thinking about this person, and this person could be somebody from your past. So definitely you're going to be very nostalgic. Perhaps you also are going to be reminded of the conversations that you shared with this person. Maybe many of you also want to rekindle the romance here. On the other hand, romancing, Scorpions, I think your lover is somebody who is going to reaffirm his feelings for you. That is why we have this card, promise a permanent connection, from the Love Oracle deck. I think you should be more romantic rather than be analytical in your relationships this month, especially when you're dealing with your beloved. Sometimes, you could be a bit detached and aloof. Maybe you want time apart. Nevertheless, I think your lover or your person is someone who is going to read book extracts to you, or he expects you to read the books that he reads. Sometimes, the two of you could also be bogged down on account of work, so you will be missing the frequent conversation. Scorpions, this month, there's also the chance that your secret romance could come out in the open, so you should be mindful of people around you. Married Scorpions, I think financial issues could be uppermost on your mind. Maybe you need assistance from loved ones. That is why I think these financial matters could be discussed. Ideally, I think, Scorpions, you should de-stress and you should spend romantic moments with your person. Maybe you should watch a romantic movie as well. In case you're in a third party situation, I think you want this relationship to be public. Maybe that is why the Seven of Swords has come up in your reading. Maybe your person isn't ready to talk about it publicly or is scared of the repercussions of this relationship. You know this is what you want from this person, a permanent connection. You don't want to be hanging by the thread, so to speak. Maybe you feel that this person is a player in your life. And Scorpions, in case you're in an unhappy connection, I think you shouldn't put up with abuse of any kind. Maybe your person is very dominating and expects you to be under his thumb, and this could affect your self-esteem. The last card in this reading is Diamond, which talks about promise. You know, the word promise has come up twice in your reading in two separate cards. So definitely this is talking about a promising union, or maybe it is also talking about something which is very promising at work. Perhaps you're going to polish your skills, or this diamond needs to be polished. That is why we had the Eight of Pentacles. You're working on your skills. You see this lady, like I said earlier in this reading, this lady seems to be busy with her hands. She's working on a creative venture. So similarly, you could be working on polishing the edges of a creative idea, which looks promising in itself. All in all, Scorpions, good fortune is yours for the taking this month. There's also the possibility that there could be something brewing behind the scenes, so you need to be careful of that. Besides, Scorpions, you also desire a permanent connection with your person. I hope, Scorpions, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.